If you got a new water filter and you're not really sure how to change it, then here's a quick tutorial on how to do it. It's really easy. There's just a few steps to it. So this works for the CF filter for the Waterdrop Reverse Osmosis G2 system. Let's go. Okay, so first thing you want to do is make sure that you leave the water faucet off for 30 seconds, just so that the water inside of the RO system can just decompress. Okay, so here we go. I have our new CF filter right here, and I'm just going to show you how to change the thing. It's pretty easy. Okay, so here we go. We're going to change this one. So all you do is, we've waited 30 seconds, so I'm going to take this out. You just turn it counterclockwise. You take that out. There might be some water coming out, which is okay. You just take a towel and wipe it up. Okay, so then we're going to take the new one right here. You take the arrow, and there's a little part right here, and you just want to push it in there. So you take this arrow and line it up over here. And then you're just going to push on it a little bit so you can hear that it kind of snaps into place. And then you just angle it up, and you have the arrow pointing up. Okay, so now the filter is in place, and it's time to reset. You have to reset the filter. So I'm going to zoom in here real quick so you can see better. Okay, here's what we're going to do. So normally this would be orange, but my husband already tried to change it once, but I wanted to show you in a video how easy it is. So usually this is orange. That's how it was before. To reset the filter, you're going to press this for 5 seconds. It's going to beep, and then we're going to choose which one. I'll go to the CF, and then we're going to press this again for 5 seconds so that it will beep. Now it's simple, but here's the thing. You don't want to wait 3 seconds in between touching this for 5 seconds, because then you'll have to do it all over again. So let's just do it for 5 seconds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and this one is flashing, so that's good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, good. So there we go. It should be, let's see, I hope I did that right. Okay, yeah, so it should be blue right there. So then that is reset. And then what you want to do is basically you just want to take this. We have 2 faucets, the regular faucet and then the water faucet. And we just turn it on, and we just let it run for 5 minutes. So it's 7:08 right now, and I'll let it just go for 5 minutes. Now, one thing that they did say is when you first start doing it, you might hear some sputtering or, you know, some noises like that, and that's okay, because it's just letting the air out of the tunnel in there. So the reason that you want to run this for 5 minutes is to, since this is a new filter, you just want to get the new filter running well, and just so that your water tastes better that way, so you don't have to drink in the filter stuff. But so that will run for 5 minutes. Okay, so the water was finished running, and as you can see, the CR or the CF filter is blue, which means it's good to go. If you were having to replace the MRO filter, then that light would be different. It would not be blue, and you would have to flush it for 30 minutes. So hopefully that tutorial was helpful for you to change the cartridge for the CF filter. The MRO filter is very similar too, but I will say we really enjoy this reverse osmosis system. This is the first one that we've had. We've never had one, and when we moved into this home a couple years ago, this was it. And I really like it because we used to buy bottled water, and it's just nice that we don't have to do that anymore. And this definitely takes the impurities out of our water. It tastes better, it tastes more clean, and my kids love it, we love it, my husband and I do. And I'm just glad that we have that to drink instead of worrying about the chemicals and the other stuff in water that's really just not supposed to be there. So it's good for all of us. And if I had to buy it again, if I had to buy a new one, I would. But this one is great. This is an older system. It's like the G2 system. I know that they have like a one with 3 spots, but this one has worked just great for us. So if you're in the market and you're looking for an easier way to clean your water, maybe you buy water at the store, or maybe you filter it through like a Brita or something. This is so much easier. You just hook it up. The hookup, I looked at the instructions, it's easy. We could have hooked it up, but you just get it right out of the spout, and it's so much easier than buying water every week from the store, or you know, getting through a Brita. So I would highly recommend it if you're thinking about getting one. We love it. Hi! The link is in the description below. Hit the like button if you liked this video, and subscribe if you want to hear more things that I dropped for reviews. Everything that I review is something that I personally use and love, so follow along on my journey, and I would love to have you. So we will see you next time. Bye.